Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the chorus for a Roundabout. Alright, so it's pretty simple. You just got a G major, and then it goes to a C, and then it goes to an F. And it kind of dances around between the F and the C, but I'm doing it right here. So you got... And then you got a bar right here. So that's going to be your C right there, but you're skipping that root now, so it goes... And then you just take your middle finger and your ring finger and put them right here and right here for the next chord. And then back to the C, and just kind of dance around with that. And then back to the G. And then you throw in a B, what is it, a B flat? B flat major after that. So it's the same shape as this G chord right here, but all the way over here. So in slow motion, it would sound like this. And then it just starts over. And it's weird because it jumps to that and then immediately starts over. Kind of throws you off almost, but yeah. So on the second time around, when it gets to this B flat, it goes to an E minor after that. But yes, and I just kind of was messing around at the end. I just did some harmonics. Just the sweet spot. So you got the 12th fret, the 7th fret, and the 5th fret. Yes. Good luck, sir. Good luck.